Hi honeybees! Today I'm going to be sharing with you what's in my travel makeup bag. A lot of you requested this when I said I was going on vacation, so I thought I would quickly go through this with you. And I am using this London, Soho, New York little fun, very festive and summery makeup bag. And it's big, but it fits quite a lot, and I can put all my brushes, everything in this, and I really like it. So I have not put my brushes in this yet, but you have one big compartment that zippers closed, and then over here there's room to put all your brushes, but I'm actually washing my brushes right now, but they will end up going right here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and unzip this little pocket so that like just unzips and flaps over. So I'm not really going to go in any specific order. I'm just going to pull the items out of the bag because there's a lot of them. So first I have some Ardell Wispies. I got 5 pairs. I do want to wear lashes because I'm going to be taking lots of fun pictures. I won't wear them every single day, but these are like my favorite go-to lashes and they're very natural. Also at the very top I have my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye makeup wipes. I'll be using these to remove swatches and remove foundation off my hands, and that's why I have it in my makeup bag, but I'll also use it to remove my makeup as the first step at night. I have my Mary Kay Time Wise Day Solution, so this has SPF 35. I always use this as my first step in my makeup routine. It's always in my makeup drawer, and that's why I'm mentioning it here. I have a Mary Kay CC cream. It's almost done though, so I might bring a full new bottle with me. I still haven't decided. I also have my Too Faced Born This Way powder. I have my IT Cosmetics CC Plus Airbrush Perfecting Powder in Light. I have my Tarte Primer. I started using this again. I love it so much. It's the Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. I have the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in Sunkissed. I've been using this for a couple weeks now. I love it. I do have it on today. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlights. This is so beautiful. I have that on today as well. It's like the perfect vacation highlight. I have my Hourglass Diffuse Light Powder to set my under eyes. I have a mini of the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Always gotta have a setting spray. Speaking of priming, I have my MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. Also have the Laura Geller Baked Blush in Bora Bora. I've been using this non-stop, have it on my cheeks today. Just the perfect peachy pink that goes with a lot of my warm tone looks, which I'll be wearing mostly on my trip. Another powder I'm taking is the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous in number 105. I have a mini of the Hourglass Veil Primer. I also have the IT Cosmetics CC Cream in Light. I'm usually actually in the shade Fair, but I figured I should have a foundation that's a little bit deeper, which this is, just in case I get a little tan. I'm also bringing my Clinique Super Balanced Foundation in Silk Bare number 3. I have that on my face today. And then I have my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I like to actually wet my beauty blender with this instead of water. I know that's kind of extra, but it makes such a beautiful finish. I have my Eye Duty Triple Remedy from First Aid Beauty. I use this to kind of brighten my under eye before concealer. Speaking of concealer, I have 2. I have my Tarte Shape Tape and my NARS Radiant Creamy. I feel like I'm not looking at you guys as I'm talking today. Just like going through all my makeup, it's fun. Okay, now I have 2 mascaras. I have the Grandiose from Lancome, and then I also have the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal because it's waterproof. It's the only waterproof mascara I own, and I know I'm gonna need that. For eyeshadow, I was very low-key with my eyeshadow. I'm bringing the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat with me. Some really beautiful warm tone matte shades. And then I have the L'Oreal Infallible in Amber Rush. It's like a rose gold beautiful shadow. 2 Stila glitters. So I'm bringing the Peachy Sheen Little Mini. And then also Smoky Storm. I also have the House of Lashes for my eyelash glue. For my brows, I'm bringing Benefit Gimme Brow in shade number 3. As well as the Balms Ferocious in light brown. I have my lash curler. I also have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I also have the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. And then I have the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Brow Razor. It's a highlighter duo for shaping my brows. Bringing the Milk Cosmetics Eye Pigments in the shade Gig. And then we have some lippies. Of course, you know I had to bring a few. I have 3 lip liners that I'm bringing. 2 from Marc Jacobs because I love their liners. They're really creamy, long wearing, and I like retractable for when I'm traveling, so I don't have to bring a pencil sharpener. I have it in Primrose and then also Honey Bun. And then I also have the Pure Minerals liner in the shade Tutu. And this is like a self-sharpening one. Then I have a few lippies. So I have 2 glosses from Too Faced Peach Line, Sweet Peach Line. I love these glosses. I actually have one on right now in Peach Please. And then I'm also bringing Peach Sacole. And then I have a really tiny mini of Buxom White Russian. It's my favorite nude gloss. I also have the Estee Lauder lipstick in number 430 Crazy Beautiful. It's like just a really nice cooler tone pinky nude. I also have the Chanel Rouge Coco Shine in Boy. It's just like a really easy everyday color that I can just throw in any of my bags. I have this kind of lip balm product from L'Oreal. I really like these. It's the L'Oreal Color Riche Sunset Angora is the color. And it's just like a lip balm with color. And it's like a really pretty peachy tone. And then I have 2 of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipsticks. Thought I'd bring these because they're just like remind me of vacation. I have Sunkissed and Daiquiri. Sunkissed is more of like a peachy nude. And then Daiquiri is more of a pinky coral. Like a fun pop of color. And that is all my makeup I'm bringing. I'll also be bringing 2 beauty blenders and my brushes. I hope that was helpful. I know this was a really fast video. I kind of sped through that. But I'll try to, I don't know if I can link all of these products down below, but if you guys have a specific product you can't find, let me know and I will link it for you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.